Hello sellers, welcome to the online training of Automate Pricing. In today's video, we will understand why pricing matters, what is Automate Pricing, how to create Automate Pricing, and discuss some of the pricing issues. Why does pricing matter? The price of the product is the most influential factor when shoppers are determining whether or not they should purchase the product. Apart from image and product features, pricing is also one of the important decisions customers will have to take. Pricing also plays a major role in increasing the chances of winning the buy box and getting more sales. What is automate pricing? Automate pricing allows you to automatically adjust prices on SKUs in your catalog in response to events such as the buy box winning price or lowest price without having to revisit the SKU every time that you want to change your price. Automate pricing is a fast and convenient way to make price update. You can maintain your price by setting up automatic rules. All you have to do is identify the maximum and minimum amount you are comfortable with, and automate pricing will adjust your prices within the prescribed range. What are the benefits of using automate pricing? Increase your chance of getting more sales by offering the best price. Hassle-free auto update price for your entire catalog of products. Manual efforts is reduced due to the bulk upload feature in automate pricing. Increase your chance of winning the buy box. Now let us learn how to add automate pricing. From the Seller Central homepage, you will find a tab called Pricing. From the drop down, you have to navigate to Automate Pricing. Now you have to understand all the rules mentioned below. Now, these are the rules under automate pricing. We have three rules. First one is the best price rule. Second one is the competitive rule, which has two rules under it, which is the competitive buy box rule and competitive lowest price rule. The third one is the sales based rule. Best price rule is based on multiple factors, including similar product prices, historical selling prices, buy box eligible price, and customer feedback for your products. Competitive rules. These rules are best suited for sellers with selection overlap with other sellers on Amazon. Sales based rules. These rules are best suited for sellers who base their pricing decisions on sales targets. Now, select the type of rule. After you have chosen the rule, enter the rule name and proceed. Now select the marketplace, click on save and continue to select the rule parameters. After which you have to select the action along with the price update. Now select the pricing action you want to set in Amazon.in. Click on yes, I want to continue repricing radio button and save this rule in Amazon.in. Now click to proceed to the SKU selection. Now select the SKUs you wish to enable for automate pricing. Now enter the maximum price and the minimum price. You have to assign the correct rule. Now you have to click on start repricing. The prices will be automated and in the next 15 to 20 minutes the changes will appear on your SKUs. Now let us learn how to add automate pricing via bulk upload. From Seller Central homepage, you have the pricing tab. From the drop down, you have to navigate to automate pricing. Now create a rule. After which you have to select the marketplace, click on save and continue to select the rule parameters. Now navigate to manage SKUs via file upload. Download and populate the file. Now few things to remember. There are two types of file that you get. First is a pre-populated file where all the ASINs in your catalog will be listed in the file. Second is a blank file where you will just have an empty file with the headers. You will have to add the ASINs accordingly. Now there's a restriction on number of SKUs that you can add in the template, which is 15,000 only. Now download the file accordingly. Populate the fields in red if not already populated. Rule name should be the rule you created in the step before this. You can use the fields in blue for your reference. Save the file as Unicode text format and upload the same back on Seller Central. In the next 15 to 20 minutes, the prices will be automated and it will reflect on your ASINs. Now let's talk about the pricing issues. Always remember, selling price should never be more than MRP. Be very cautious while updating the prices on Seller Central. Make sure that you don't make any manual mistakes. If you have inventory lying in FCs, wait till the inventory gets depleted and then start updating the prices on Seller Central. Selling price should never go lower than the minimum price or more than the maximum price. Thank you for watching this video and happy selling on Amazon.